Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to learn how to track Google Ads phone call conversion. There are two kinds of phone call conversion in Google Ads. First one is calls from ads, then second one is calls from website. Today we're going to learn calls from website conversion tracking. There are two kinds of calls from website conversion tracking. First one is click to call and second one is dial to call. So today we're going to learn click to call. So what is click to call conversion actually? So as you can see, this is our website. If someone visits our website and click on the phone call button like this and they called us through this way, so this is actually click to call conversion. To track click to call conversion, we're going to use GTM, but first we have to create a conversion action in our Google Ads account. So we have to come to summary under conversion in goals and then click create conversion action. So now see all. From here we have to click on phone call lead, create conversion. So here as you can see, we're going to create calls conversion from website visits. We're going to click here, and now as you can see, we're going to track click to calls conversion. We have to click on here and now use this event and now edit settings. So this is the conversion name. You can change the conversion name from here, but I'm keeping it the same. And here this is the value, as this is a call conversion, so we're going to use the same value for each conversion. If it were e-commerce business, we would use that, but as it is a service based business, so we're keeping it. And here we have to click on one. As you can see, click through conversion and view through conversion, I'm keeping it the same, but you could change as your business type. And in the attribution model section, you have to click on last click and then save it and save and continue. So that's it, our conversion action creation is done in Google Ads. As we are going to use a Google Tag Manager, so now you have to click use Google Tag Manager. Okay, so as you can see, we can be able to see our conversion ID and conversion label. We have to use this to track our conversion. So for now we have to return back to the Google Tag Manager, and from here you have to click on triggers, new trigger configuration, all elements, and now we have to just save it. We're going to change this later. So it's done. Now we have to submit this, but before you go further, make sure under variable section you have all click related variables. You have to configure from here. You have to check all click related variables from here. And now we're going to preview our website from our GTM. Now I'm clicking on preview. So as you can see, this is our website in GTM preview mode. Click on contact us. For my case, my phone number is in contact us page. So as you can see, this is the phone call button. We want to track this phone call when someone visits our site and click on this button, and we will track them. Now you have to click phone and now cancel it, and now return back to the tag assistant tab. So this is the tab assistant tag, and you have to click on clicks under contact us page and now click on variables. So as you can see, click URL is telephone. We have to copy this. We are going to track using a click URL. So now return back to the Google Tag Manager, and from here click on tags, new tags. Now tag configuration, Google Ads conversion tracking, and now click on triggering. Click on all elements here. Now we're going to edit this. Click on here, some clicks, click URLs equals, and paste the URL we just copied and give it a name. Now save it. Now click on here. As you can see, it asks us to give the conversion ID and conversion label. We'll find the conversion label here, the Google Ads, where we just create conversion action. So copy the conversion ID from here and return back to the previous tab and paste the conversion ID here, and now copy the conversion label from here and paste the conversion label here, and now give it a name. Now save it. Now submit this. So as you can see, our Google Ads click to call conversion creation is done. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.